Alright guys, good morning. Early in the morning after breakfast, working on our new toilet. So I'm gonna show you guys where is that guest toilet that we are going to renovate or change everything inside. Yes, he's my personal private carpenter. Yes. So everything here in Europe, mostly people do it themselves because it's installation, of course, and yeah, everything is easy to install. You only need some strength. Kailangan mo lang talaga malakas.
You need courage.
You need courage. What else? Inspiration.
Yes, inspiration.
Inspiration. And what?
Some skills.
Some skills. Ding! Important, guys. Oh, thank you, sir, for your very good advice to our subscribers, to those who want to build something. So this is a very clever tools, right? All the cuts are straight, and also the, how you call this one here, this one,
45.
the 45 degrees. So when you cut something for the corner, it's always perfect. So
So it has to be the cut for the beam, or put on the ceiling.
oh,
To
okay.
make a connection.
These are the first installation. So we are now doing it in our kitchen. So this is the instruction. So seems to be, looks easy. Easy installation from Geberit. So guys, we have a little problem here. We couldn't push in this pipe. This pipe, the rubber is blocking it. So we need something to glide it in to completely put this inside. So that's a small problem we had. So we just called the company to what to do, and then they said just put some Vaseline or some lubricants. So we have those, some oil and lubricants. Okay. So we have to try it. We have no Vaseline here, so we will see how it will function. I hope it will function.
Take it out and clean it first, okay?
Oh, okay.
But you stay here if you hear.
Yeah, what is there? Guys, plumbing is not the best job for us. Okay, so now guys, we oh my goodness.
What is
Woo.
what are you doing? Plumbing.
Oh.
Plumbing.
One maybe.
It's for delicate things, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's for delicate
So,
lubric.
Pour it in. Pour it. Ooh. I hope that will function. we will put this oil, China oil. Oh my goodness. So fill it with lubricant.
All around now. Now we have to see that we push it in the pipe. Can you check? Because I will only push.
Okay.
Look.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe yeah. The other side. Yeah. Perfect. So the lubricant is functioning.
It's functioning.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Problem solved. So we don't need to use.
Thank you to surface.
So we don't need to use the China oil.
No China
So-
oil, lubricant. Lubricant is
So this is
As-
very good.
as expected. It will
As expected, it glided so well. No more shitty thing that coming out there. That was very ew.
very ew.
So guys, the strength is very important also in this job. So your muscles are okay?
Yeah,
Sure.
sure.
Sure it is. Oh.
Sure.
Put the the deepest. Yeah, I think that's fine. So now the canyons are ready. Is ready. Mhm.
All right.
Oh my god. Good job. Good job. Good job. So we close it with that yellow cover. For the moment, we don't use it to prevent the, you know, we are at the 3rd floor of this building. So, and this is 10 floors. So all the impact from above, all the remembrance, all the savings from above came in down here. So drop it like it's hot. Oh guys, lago pa kayo guys. What you go? Ako ligo. Oh my god. So this is how to install a hanging toilet. Actually, this is a hanging toilet. Now making holes to install it in the wall, right?
We will use nail plugs. These.
What's that?
A nail plug. So it goes through the beam and through the wood and in the wall.
Oh, nice. That's the DIY feeling. So we just cut from the what is it? Paint.
Paint runner. This is 50 from that side. We've got 53 from this side. 53 from this side is here. So here's the heart.
Mm-hmm.
And the heart 37.5. That's 37 is 1875.
Okay, babe. I'm not good at mathematics.
1875.
I just need to say yes.
There it is.
Yeah. So ready to bore again?
Ready to bore.